Hey, welcome back to Filmmaker's Formula, where we talk about everything filmmaking. If you've made videos before, you've used transitions. Here are some classics.
The star wipe, cross dissolve, the circle, the 3D cube,
Or the jump cut. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways you can up that transition game of yours.
The first transition we're going to talk about is the whip. You want to whip your camera like this and reveal in a different location. You want to remember the direction you whip your camera so you can match it up in post.
Pro tip, you don't actually have to whip your head during this transition. You can, it would further sell the effect, but you just don't want to get whiplash.
Transition number 2 is something I like to call object obstruction. This is where you pan your camera across a door frame or have somebody walk by your camera, uncovering it completely so you can transition into your second scene.
Transition 3 is what I'd like to call the block. You want to completely cover the camera in one scene and uncover the camera in the other. Like this.
Or like this.
Or you can do something like this. Trick number 4 is the follow through. You might have seen my video where I picked up my boring flamethrower. In the video, there's a scene where I filmed myself walking across different locations. This is what I mean by follow through. You want to match up the movement you're doing in one scene with the other. This last one is something we talked about in the B-roll video, speed ramping. This transition is similar to the whip, but it is done in post.
So basically what you want to do for speed ramping is you want to have your first scene move in one direction, you want to speed up the end of it, and speed up the beginning of the second scene, and have it flow in the same direction again.
For any transition you're doing, you want to make sure the movement in both scenes are lined up. The key is to hide the cut. This way you don't take the audience out of the story that you're trying to tell them. That's it for me. Hope you guys liked that video. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you're new here and you like cinematography tips, be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
When I think about the way